Okay, let's do actual full example of a linear inequality. Here it is. Okay, so the goal here is to isolate x. The first thing that we need to do, right, is to remove that fraction, right? Because there's an implied bracket here, we first want to isolate that bracket. So we need to multiply both sides by 4 for that. And because we're multiplying both sides by a positive number, the inequality will hold. Okay, meaning it won't change. Next, we can subtract both sides by 3. And when you do that, when you add both sides by a number or subtract both sides by a number, inequality holds, right? And finally, we have to divide both sides by -2. And when you multiply or divide both sides by -2, what happens? It flips, okay? So that's -2.5. So this is a solution to satisfy this equation. Visually, in a number line, this means here's 0, here's -2.5. All the values to the right of that number will satisfy this equation. Also, I'm going to introduce interval notation. Okay, so this can be also written as x belongs to square bracket -2.5 to infinity. So I'm going to use square bracket here to say include -2.5 towards go forever right. Okay, but you can't include the last positive number. So we use a round bracket to say not included. Suppose the answer was like x is greater than -2, then that can be written as the following. -2, okay, -2 to infinity. Okay, this round bracket means, okay, don't include -2, but include everything else. Let me give you another inequality here. Let's say 1 to 5. Okay, this visually means here's 1, here's 5. Let's include that like this. Okay. Interval notation, this will be include 1, go up to 5, but don't include means use a round bracket. Sometimes we get something like this. Okay, here's 0, maybe -2, 1. Okay, go this way. So here are all the numbers that is a solution. Okay, note that it's not like meeting, it's going in opposite direction. So this will be written as x is, in the set notation, less than -2, or x is greater than equal to 1. So it's going towards really large negative value, so minus infinity, -2, union, square bracket, because we're going to include the 1, right, towards infinity. Okay, so that is interval notation and a quick example on how to solve a simple linear equation. That's it for this one. I'll see you in the next.